Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am sharing with you guys how I like to leave the house before we go on a trip. On this particular day we were heading out of town for a few days, and basically I'm just going through my routine on how I like to leave the house clean and tidy up before we go anywhere. All of the things that I like to do before we leave the house, and this is just so that when we come back home from a trip, it is nice, it is clean, it is tidy, and I don't have to worry about cleaning when we get back. So the very first thing that I'm doing is making my bed. I try to do this every single day, and especially if I'm going on a trip or something, or if we're going out of town with the kids, I love to have this done so that when we get back and the whole house is clean and I open my door in my bedroom, my room is clean, the bed is made, and it just feels so nice to come home to the bed being made and everything just nice and in its place.
It's the way that it moves and the way that it laughs, so I can't get enough. Think about him all the time, I can get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah.
Next up was my bathroom, and as you can see, I've got things thrown around everywhere. So all I needed to do, again, all I'm doing is tidying up these rooms. I am not deep cleaning them. I might wipe a few things down, but I'm not doing any deep cleaning. I'm just putting things back in their place so that when we get home, everything is nice and clean. Now here I am putting the towels to wash. So by the time I'm done cleaning everything, I should have them washed and dried. And that way when we come back home, the towels are fresh and clean.
I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
So while those towels are washing, I came back into my bathroom to finish wiping things down. Here I'm gonna go ahead and just get the counter area wiped down and then go ahead and clean the mirror. Also, I just want to let you guys know, if you are new to my channel, please drop by in the comments and say hello. I'd love to get to know you. I hope that you will subscribe to my channel. I know that I haven't been posting as consistently as I used to, but bear with me as we have been going through a kitchen renovation that I'll be sharing with you guys soon, and I am just trying to adjust to everything, so I'm just hoping to get back on a consistent schedule. But if you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button, and I hope that you will become a part of my community.
Right now I'm standing in a corner, I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing oh, everybody's singing oh. I don't know what it is about you, it must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to, we've got nothing to lose. You're looking so so now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do, baby. Let me love you, let me love you, let me love you.
So now that I'm finished with my master bedroom and my master bathroom, I'm heading into the living room just to tidy up in there and get everything back in its place.
Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going oh, you got me going oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me.
Moving on to the kitchen, I just had a few dishes from that morning that I needed to clean up. I wanted to make sure that here in the kitchen, I did not leave anything in the dishwasher, so you won't see me putting anything in the dishwasher. I'll be washing everything by hand, drying everything up, and putting it away. I don't like to leave any dirty dishes or dishes inside the dishwasher. And I always try to make sure that we don't forget anything in the microwave, just to make sure that when we get back, we don't have something stinking up the house.
Me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh!
You can probably tell from the look on my face, but I am not a fan of washing dishes by hand. Let me know down in the comments below. Do you like washing your dishes by hand? Is that like enjoyable to you? I know some people find it relaxing. I, however, do not. I rather put them in the dishwasher and let the dishwasher do the work. Let me know down in the comments below. Do you like washing them by hand, or do you like to put them in the dishwasher?
I told myself that maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice. 'Cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm just a treat. Well, the taste is better. Oh, go on, chewing my bones out when he's done is spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us again, nothing can save us, yeah. I just wanna be around you.
If you're here and you're still watching, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying it.
I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. He looks at me like I know what he's thinking, but I don't have a clue. True talent in avoiding conversation, yeah. It's almost rather cruel. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm just a treat. Well, the taste is better. Oh, go on, chewing my
So once the kitchen was nice and clean, the counters, the sink, all the dishes put away, it was time for me to start vacuuming. And I wanted to vacuum my bathroom, my bedroom, and then the living room area and the kitchen area.
For a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go. But when you left, I could feel it grow like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know.
Another thing I wanted to make sure that we remembered before we left was to take out the trash. I would hate for us to forget that and then come home and that just be a nasty and really stinky and smelly mess. We've actually had that happen to us, and we had once where we left something in the microwave and it was so bad, the smell, when we came back home. So those are two things that I make sure we do not forget to check: the microwave and make sure that the trash is taken out. So now I am just spraying my couch with my Tide antibacterial spray now that everything is cleaned up, and just putting away a few last random things, and that is it, guys. The house is ready for us to leave. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much if you made it to the end of this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and also hit that red subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Take care and God bless, guys. Bye.
If only I had listened for a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go. But when you left, I could feel it grow like a body of water.